I often talk about the 3 keys of nature connection. Slow down, get curious, and use all your senses. And I'm going to share with you an absolutely perfect example of how these work in practice. So I'm out on a lovely little nature walk today, and I'm on this path here, walking fairly slowly. Keep my eyes open, and then I spot something. You just see it up there. There's something in the little gateway in the fence. Kind of curious. So let's go and have a look. Well, the first thing to notice is there's what looks like a path on the other side. So something has been walking along here and going through this little gate. And these paths, they're called desire paths because those are the paths that animals choose themselves. Those are the ones that are most suitable for them to get from one place to another. So let's get a little bit more curious and use all my senses, get down here and have a sniff. Whoa, God, there is a definite whiff down there. There's an animal whiff, and if I look around just down here, there's what looks to me like a paw print. It's not very distinct, but if I look round a little bit, there's another one that's clearer. So the smell, the pathway, the paw prints. This is badgers. So the badgers, they're out behind me, foraging around, or maybe along this fence, and at some point in the evening, or maybe for the first thing in the morning, they're coming through this gateway and heading back to their set. So somewhere in that park over there's going to be a badger set. What a lovely place to live. So that's what happens when you bring together the 3 keys of nature connection. Slow down, get curious, and use all your senses. Have fun out there.